How to use netsh Winsock reset to fix network connectivity issues.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how to use the netsh Winsock reset command to fix network connectivity issues in Windows. This technique is particularly useful when your network is behaving oddly due to incorrect Winsock settings.
What is netsh Winsock reset?
netsh Winsock reset is a command that you can use in the command prompt of a Windows machine. Winsock is a programming interface and the supporting program in Windows that handles input and output requests for Internet applications. Sometimes, due to various reasons like malware or faulty network software, the Winsock settings can get corrupt. This is where the netsh Winsock reset command comes into play.
How to use netsh Winsock reset.
Before you proceed, remember that you need administrator rights to execute this command. Let's go through the steps. 1. Press Windows key plus X on your keyboard. A menu should pop up on the left side of your screen. 2. Select Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows PowerShell, Admin, from the menu. A command prompt window with administrator rights will open. 3. In the command prompt, type netsh Winsock reset without the quotes, and press Enter. 4. Once the command is executed successfully, you should see a message saying, "Successfully reset the Winsock catalog." This indicates that the command has done its job. 5. After resetting, you need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect.
What to do after a successful netsh Winsock reset?
After you have successfully reset your Winsock settings and restarted your machine, you should test your network connection. Try to connect to the Internet or the network resource that you had problems with before. If the issue persists, it may not be a Winsock problem, and you might need to look into other solutions such as resetting your IP settings or updating your network drivers. That's it. You've just learned how to use the netsh Winsock reset command to fix network connectivity issues. This is a simple yet effective troubleshooting step that you can take before resorting to more drastic measures. As always, remember to be careful when using command prompt with admin rights. We hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.